Once upon a time, in a small village, there lived a boy named Amir. Amir was a playful and curious child. But he had one bad habit. He often told lies to get out of trouble or to make his stories sound more exciting. One day, while playing near the village fields, Amir saw a farmer's cow grazing peacefully. A mischievous idea crossed his mind. He ran back to the village, shouting, "A tiger is attacking the farmer's cow! Help! Help!" The villagers, alarmed by his cries, grabbed sticks and tools and rushed to the fields. When they got there, they found the cow grazing calmly, with no tiger in sight. Amir burst out laughing. "I tricked you all. There's no tiger," he said. The villagers were upset, but let it go, thinking he was just being a playful child. A few days later, Amir repeated the prank. He cried out, "Tiger, tiger!" The villagers, though annoyed, didn't want to take any chances. They rushed to the fields again, only to find Amir laughing at them. This time they warned him, "Lying is a bad habit, Amir. If you keep lying, no one will believe you when it matters most." Amir ignored their advice and continued with his ways. One evening, while Amir was playing in the fields, a real tiger appeared. Its fierce eyes glowed, and it began prowling closer to the grazing animals. Amir's heart pounded with fear. He ran toward the village, screaming at the top of his lungs, "Tiger! A tiger is attacking the cow." This time, the villagers did not believe him. "It's just another one of Amir's tricks," they said, shaking their heads. Amir kept shouting for help, but no one came. The tiger attacked the cow and disappeared into the forest. When the villagers finally came to check, they saw the damage and realized Amir had been telling the truth this time. The villagers were angry and disappointed. "If you hadn't lied before, we would have believed you and saved the cow," they said. Amir hung his head in shame, realizing his habit of lying had cost the farmer dearly. From that day onward, Amir promised never to tell a lie again. He worked hard to regain the trust of the villagers, always speaking the truth, no matter how difficult it was. Moral of the story: lying breaks trust, and once trust is lost, it is hard to regain. Always be truthful, for honesty is the foundation of good character.